Hi dear students, welcome back to online classes, grade 9 chemistry. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. In previous session we have discussed the topic is separation of dyes in a black ink using chromatography method. The continuation class now going to discuss how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Definition of miscible liquids. Two liquids that completely dissolve in each other are known as miscible liquids. Once again, two liquids that completely dissolves in each other are known as a miscible liquids. Examples of miscible liquids: orange juice and cold drinks. These are the miscible liquids. Simple distillation. Simple distillation is a method used for the separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient different in their boiling points. Simple distillation method used to separate a mixture of acetone and water, both two liquid substances. This method is called distillation. It is used for the separation of components of a mixtures containing two miscible liquids. Examples: mixture of acetone and water that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Both two different boiling points. Water and acetone contain two different boiling points. After we can separate acetone. So this method is known as a simple distillation method. Next method, fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used for separating a mixture of two or more miscible liquids whose difference in boiling points is less than 25 Kelvin. The apparatus used for fractional distillation is similar to that used for simple distillation, except that a fractionizing column is fitted between the distillation flask and condenser. The fractionating column has glass tube beds which increases the surface of the vapors to cool and condense. Fractional distillation is used for separating the components of petroleum, separating the different gases from air, etc. So it is used to separate petroleum components and separating the different gases from air. Fractional distillation. To separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference in boiling point is less than 25 K. Fractional distillation process is used for example for the separation of different gases from air, different fractions from petroleum products, etc. The apparatus is similar to that for simple distillation except that a fractionizing column is fitted between the distillation flask and condenser. So this method you can use to separate petroleum and different gases from air.